So guys, I'm going to show you the basics of Cabal Online. If you haven't downloaded and registered, check the upper corner for the Cabal EU site, and there you're going to download and register your game and an account. And if you're not from Europe, you have to find your region and download the client and register there. So let's just log in. And tick in save ID for future logins. Already created 4 characters on Mercury, and we'll go on channel 7. Let's see, I'm gonna choose my wizard. Yeah. And you also need to create a sub password and a secret question. But I already did that, so you have to do it yourself. It's not that hard. Okay, now we're in Desert Scream, the start map of wizards and bladers. So I'm gonna show you the user interface, going through everything. At the top left corner you have your HP, your MP and your SP. Your SP is, I think, soul points or spirit points, used in battle modes and battle auras. Up there you have your class sign and your level. Let's see, and the other corner you have the minimap. You can close the minimap, open it, open the GPS with that button, and also with the button M. Also clicking it, and we have the item shop you can open. Otherwise, you can open the item shop down here. The quest, you can press T for quest. Inventory, also with I. Character with C, and also clicking that button. X2, and help. It's H, yeah. And on the minimap you can see yourself, the NPCs, and if you have quests, they will be added on the GPS. And also your party members, where they are. As you see, I have a skin downloaded, so it looks a bit different. And if we check the chat function, we have a lot of chat functions, as you see. Normal chat, party, and guild chat slash. I can go through that later. Trade, and channel, whisper, shout, and megaphone. Normal chat is just in a close area. Not so far. Party is just in the party, and that's just slash P. And normal is slash N. Guild is slash G, and it's all in guild. Trade up, well, that's slash T, and that updates or reposts your past shout after a couple seconds, I think. And the channel, you have to join a chat channel before you can write in that in the chat, and that's slash C. And whisper, you have to be able, you can whisper many people or many different ways. As one example, I can left click this person and his name comes up in the chat, and you see his name is Look, and you have to write the character's name before the whisper, before you can whisper him. So go back to normal chat, and I slash W and enter the whisper, and now I have to write the character's name before writing to the person. Going on to the shout, and you have to be level 20 and level 20 or past level 20 to shout, and well, and it reached the channel, full channel. And the last one is megaphone. That's actually, you have to buy the megaphone in the item shop. And the megaphone chat is through all the server, so everyone in the server can see what you're writing. Well, that was the chat function. You also have the action slots. You can lock them. You can move the skills. And when it's unlocked, you can move the skills by clicking on them and moving them to another slot. And you have an extended slot where you can put your own key bindings with the mouse and keyboard, make it easier to play. Also, you have 4 pages, so there's a lot of slots, and many of them are used for battle modes. That will be explained later. And you have the system window that shows system messages. As example, if I try to kill one of these ones, pressing procure, I get my XP is shown. Also, if I drop something, it will be shown in the system window. You can also change the size of by clicking on the cogwheel, and I leveled. Pressing the cogwheel can change the options of the chat, and also block some chats if you want to, and block some what you want to see in the system message. There's a chat length change how big it was. Okay. Maximum is 25 lines. If I want a big chat, you can have them both at 25, but I prefer having my chat at 15 and my system at 15 as well, sometimes 20. So just keep 15. There's a lot of things you can change. You can go through the options later. And you see down here, you see product service not used. And T-point is something that isn't used in Cabal Europe. It's used in A. I don't know, I think it's used in Korea too, but here you can see if you have bought premium from the cash shop, what it gives and so on. And also the level bars down here. You see I gained down there. This is the first bar, and there's a bar below that one, and that's AXP. You gain AXP when you are 120 and up, and it's used for runes and such. Pressing you see all the rune slots in your AP. AP is gained when your AXP hit 100%. And that's the user interface basics. And if you want to go out and kill some, you just go out with the mouse or WASD. Just click the mob and use the number keys, and to use your skills in the action slot, like that. Isn't that hard? Well, this was the basics of the user interface. If you want to know more, just click the other video, or just wait for the video to end to come to the next video. So, me and Tepelin are saying bye. Oh wait, I have to do the wave. Special. Yeah, also some funny social skills you can use. So you can use just like bow. Bye.